everybody, hari ni nak buat unboxing of Adidas Nite Jogger as promised. Excited tak? Excited tak? Excited tak? Sorry tak ada pen, so pakai scissors lah. Tak nak be very careful. Okay. Actually try je, sekali dapat. So mak dia tak ada bag dia lah. Dia macam gini saja. Supposed to come with the bag and the goggles, but I think dia tak kasih lah. Okay, let's tengok dulu. Tada! Nak kena tengok.
Lawa je. Lawa kan?
Clean, tak ada 3 dots. Jadi it's not thick skin. Okay, ke bawah, turun ke atas sikit. Look at this. Sebelum pegang nak kena tengok the 3 dots dulu. Pasal some of them cakap it might be thick skin. Tapi it is macam besar kau boleh pakai lah.
Tak lah.
Okay, let's go for the other pair. Reflective with how do you go? This way. Dia follow the old design. Okay, back.
Kita pakai yang kat sini.
Nanti Mr. Husband tolong. Nak reflective macam mana nak tunjuk?
Lawa.
Super nice.
Pakai kan dia.
Ini pakai kaki tak gatal. Confirm. Alamak, tak boleh tunjuk pose dulu lah. Pasal nak pakai. Ini masuk ni. I think you can see the reflective ni. Dia ada tulis UK, dia ada tulis Japan, Hong Kong, PRC. Dia dalam tunjuk sikit. And this is not covered. The design. Okay, so malam ni boleh tidur, tak payah fikir-fikir lagi. Thank you for watching.